इसी पूरे बजट के मैराथन प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ हमारे लगातार ग्राउंड जीरो से रिपोर्टर्स भी जुड़ रही हैं। अक्षया जुड़ रही हैं इस वक्त सीधे चेन्नई से हमारे साथ। सीधा अक्षया का रुख करते हैं। अक्षया, किस तरह से उद्योगपति और जो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं उन्होंने किस तरह से नंबर दिए हैं इस बार के 9वें बजट को जिस तरह से पेश किया गया वित्त मंत्री साहिबा द्वारा?
देख रहे हैं कि तमिलनाडु के लिए कई सारे पॉइंटर्स हैं इस बार बजट में, जैसे कि हमने देखा कि रेलवे
स्पीड रेल्स दिया गया है। ऐसे एग्री सेक्टर और सर्टेन अदर सेक्टर्स में भी एसएमई स्पेशली हैज़ हाई फोकस। तो मेरे साथ अभी है एक स्पेशलिस्ट AR उन्नीकृष्णन, चेयरमैन है CII तमिलनाडु का और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेंट गोविंद। थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस सर। सर, हाउ डू यू assess this budget? What is the rate that you would give out of 10 for this budget?
And I think to me this is a very a long-term and foundational kind of a budget. Many positive steps given in terms of looking at how India's journey should be for the next 20 years. You look at the rare earth, focus which has been given, coastal shipping, focus on the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, because a lot of India's growth in future is going to come from tier 2 and 3 cities, and reviving 200 legacy industrial clusters. I mean, these are all music to our ears, especially from a Tamil Nadu's point of view. Tamil Nadu has been really in the leading front on manufacturing and industry, so there are many legacy industrial clusters which can be revived. Coastal shipping is something which can be really beneficial. Also, a lot of focus on MSME, focus on girls in terms of girls hostels in every district of the country. These are all very positive steps which can really have a long-lasting effect for the country and for the state as well.
और सर, हम देख रहे हैं कि there's interestingly focus on textile and also agriculture and coastal related industries. तो इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे?
Yeah, these have been priority sectors for the state of Tamil Nadu as well. Textile has been in the forefront of late with a lot of tariffs. This is one sector which really got affected. So happy to see that there is a lot of thrust on that particular one. Tamil Nadu has one of the longest coast, so it can really benefit from the thrust given on the coastal shipping, and also the focus on the high-end crops. Coconut in particular, plus many other high-end crops, that can also be beneficial. So what is essential is for us to read the fine print of the budget, understand how some of those schemes can be beneficial to the state, and we really tap into that. I think that then can be very growth oriented for the state along with the country.
अक्षरा, एक चीज जो
थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। हमें अभी सुना